Hey, welcome to the Soul Sister channel for Tuesday, June 22nd. My name is Kat. I am an accredited astrologer of over 25 years. Gee, I'm old. And I am a spiritual life coach and a tarot reader. The purpose of my channel is to share with you guys how to recognize energy and then how to use it consciously to create the life we want. So that's what I'm all about. We're going to get started today by becoming balanced and aligned and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. So let's take the first breath now. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On the second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity flowing out of our bodies and being replaced by this beautiful white light that fills our bodies and then goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble deflects all evil, low vibration, and negativity back to its source. Now, while we're in this space of white light, we're going to say our Cancer affirmation. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. Let's say it together again, and we're going to stay in this space for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. Wonderful. Well, I gotta tell you what, you guys, this is my favorite day of the whole week. Okay, I'm Sagittarian, so I love Sagittarian energy. We have the moon in Sagittarius. Jupiter rules Sagittarius. Jupiter is in Pisces going retrograde. That's not such a bad thing. Jupiter is always, the negative side of Jupiter is excessiveness. You know, with this Jupiter energy, Sagittarian energy, if a little is enough, more is great, which is not always necessarily true, as we know. So that's the downside of the energy today, just getting too much of a good thing. Now, you can't go wrong with that, right? So today we are optimistic, we are passionate. The moon is in Sagittarius. It's a good day for a job offer, especially Mercury is direct. Our minds are becoming, oh my gosh, they've been so foggy and befuddled and cluttered for so long. We are seeing the light. We are getting some clarity. We are coming out of the fog. It is so wonderful. It is such a great, energetic day. It is so awesome. And then we're optimistic and we are excited. So we want to go outside today, enjoy nature, pick up a ball game with the kids on the street, or play tennis with your partner, or go for a swim. All kinds of physical activity today. And Jupiter likes good food and a lot of it, but kind of good that the buffets are gone. So it's just a great day. We have the sun in Cancer is trining Jupiter in Pisces. So it's a great day again for making business plans, for getting some details together, strategizing all this stuff. we've had such difficulty doing in the last couple of weeks, especially the last 3 weeks. And finally, we're seeing the light. So we're coming out of the fog. Some of the details of business plans are coming together. We can find some resolutions to some sticky problems that we haven't been able to figure out. All of a sudden today, oh my gosh, the answer comes to us. It's a great day to work with others, to come with a group solution to a problem. Yeah, people are actually eager to work together again instead of being so suspicious and so, secretive and telling lies and withholding information. We have broke that energy a little bit. So that's even getting better today. It's just a wonderful, wonderful day. You can tell that I'm really, really excited about it because we haven't had this lofty energy for a while. It's all been pretty dark, pretty deep introspective work, really dealing with some sticky issues that we have had problems resolving, and they're still there. But at least now we feel a little bit more optimistic that we can solve them or we can do something with them, right? Okay, guides, I didn't cut the cards again. What do you have to say for today? What advice do you have for us on this incredibly wonderful, energetic, positive energy Tuesday? Vast vistas, expand your horizons, right along with the card with the energy today of business plans, new career opportunities maybe we can see an opportunity more clearly today and we can say, oh yeah, I can get excited about that now. And enjoy the journey. We just enjoy discovering and learning, and we're curious. This Sagittarian, we're like little kids, poking and prodding everything, putting everything in our mouth, ew. But we are checking everything out and exploring. We're just in that mood today. It's so much fun. And then discovering truth. And that is our message to go along with Jupiter in Pisces. What is our truth and what fibs have we been telling ourselves about ourselves, our inabilities, our partners, our families, our friends, our jobs, our careers, our abilities, our skills? What fables, what fibs have we been telling ourselves? Because with Jupiter, like I said earlier, Jupiter in Pisces is going to bring those secrets to the fore, bring those fables that we've been telling ourselves and other people. It's the truth is going to be revealed, especially when Neptune jumps into the fray at the end of this week. So make it a great week, a great day today, this Tuesday. Enjoy this awesome energy. Go out, be outside in the woods, in the ocean, go to the amusement park. Oh my gosh, just have fun today. Today is a day of fun, and it's a lucky day on the job front too. So just enjoy the energy. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational messages there. And remember, everyone, that life is lived from the inside out. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Namaste.